Hey, how are you, friends? Hustling starts again. Watching my car. See, these are the kind of things that should be done in Africa that will make a lot of money, but the system is not recognizing that, and they keep on complaining. Looking forward to put places like this in Africa where people could just run the car through and you don't waste so much time and you don't waste so much human energy or technology, and save time and make more money. You see the water running down, just follow the process, moving forward, right, just drive through and go. These are the kind of things we need in our country. I think it's high time we start putting all this to video, exposing it to the world, that those who also have not the opportunity to come abroad could also know that things like this exist, so that our government work towards it, that we'll have a better life to live. Alright, bye.